if we can't figure it out. It says during the quality assurance check, the actual contents in grams of 6 containers were 1527, 28, 1501, 1512, 1535, and 1513. And we want to find the mean and the median, right? So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my calculator app, this GraphenCalc 83 right here. Let me clear that out. And I'm going to go to Stat. I'm going to edit my list. And so if I want to clear my list, so if you notice I was already kind of doing the problem earlier, but I'm going to clear my list. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to come back. I'm going to kind of go back and forth. 1527 and 1528 are my first two entries. So 1527, enter. 1528, enter. And let's come back here. 1501 and 1512 are my next two. So 1501, enter, and 1512, enter. Okay, and let's come back here. 1535 and 1513. Okay, 1535 and 1513. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to come back to stats. I'm going to go to calculate. I'm going to calculate my one variable stats. And if you notice on my app, it has a parentheses there. I really want to get my list one. So the way I'll get my list one, I'm going to hit second. And then right above the number one, you can see there's an L1 right there. And just close my parentheses, hit enter. Okay, so I'm going to find my average. Remember, my average is my X bar. That's the number at the top left, 1519.3. So when I come back over here, you had it correct, 1519.3. Okay. We wanted to find our median. Our median is in the second column, the third one down where it says MED. That's 1520. So you had that also correct. Oops, that doesn't look like a 1520, does it? There we go, 1520. Okay, so we got the first two right. Okay, now let's take a look at the second one. It says the third value was incorrectly measured and should be 1514. So what they're telling me here is that this 1501 wasn't right. It should now be 1514. Okay, so I'm going to come back to my app. I'm going to go to Stat. I'm going to edit. And right here, instead of 1501, I'm going to just type in 1514. Hit enter, right? I'm not going to change anything else. I'm going to hit Stat one more time. I'm going to calculate. I'm going to go to my one variable stats. I'm going to hit second and L1 again. Remember, that's the number. I'm hitting the number 1 because the L1 is right there. I'm going to close my parentheses, and you're going to see those numbers up there at the top are going to change now. So look, here is my X bar, 1521.5. And so let me come back here, and that's what's right there. That little red mark right there means that was the correct answer. You might have put something different, but that's okay, 1521.5. And then our median, let me come back here, was 1520.5. So my median is 1520. Let me write this in black because it's kind of hard to see. 1520.5. And there's actually a part C here, and it says, which measure of central tendency, the mean or the median, was more affected by the error? So let's take a quick look here. If you notice let's see, the original median was 1520, now it's 1520.5. The original mean was 1519.3, and now it's 1521.5. So which one changed more? It looks like the mean changed more, right? So which one was more affected?